The integration of the Su-35 data link system demands microscopic precision, transitioning brittle wafers into robust components.
Did the ultrasonic inspection clear the latest batch?
Yes, they meet the consistency requirements. The tracking data matches.
Next, the titanium alloy blanks are submerged for degreasing, preparing the metal for the S-band phased array antenna module.
Inspection data is aggregated onto the centralized dashboard, displaying green confirmation status. The automated system access granted.
We are within tolerance here.
Confirmed. The shaping is precise.
The robotic system loads the gallium arsenide wafers into the automated etching bath. The movement is
Within the high vacuum chamber, vaporized gold alloy is precisely directed onto the etched circuits. This critical
converts. A powerful robotic camera system rapidly scans the surface of a wafer, checking for defects. The scan data is
The encrypted tactical data link processing unit undergoes a final automated visual inspection.
The automated guided vehicles deliver the finished ETDLPU modules from Process A. This secure cold storage is essential.
Process A is now fully concluded, with the primary product finalized, packaged, and stored.
The transition from cold storage to the heavy machining center highlights the distinct stages of Su-35 system integration.
With the titanium alloy blanks in position, the robotic arm performs the final shut-in check on the cutting tool.
Synchronized robotic sprayers apply the specialized coating, optimizing the electronic performance of the ISBPAM by minimizing stray reflections.
Processing. The newly bonded ISBPAM is moved into the anechoic chamber for F checks.
The integrated S-band phased array HEN module is mounted onto the positioning pedestal inside the anechoic chamber.
The ISBPAM undergoes meticulous calibration. A probe measures the RF energy, ensuring the beam conforms.
The integrated S-band phased array antenna module is currently undergoing its final high-power transmit test. A robotic arm accesses a maintenance port on the rear industrial gray surface of the ISBPAM, injecting the final.
double-check the tension on strap 4.
Process B is clear, Supervisor. Ready for transport. The ISBP-8M module is netted and ready for shipment. Fire.
Straps are tension, locking pin engaged.
Confirmed. Manifest checked. We are good to go.
Keep it steady on the left. Watch the clearance on the Su-35 wing. Confirmed. We are clear by 2 meters. Rolling into Bay 4 now.
Latches are clear. Easy now. All right, the ISBP-8M is secure. Let's check the surface.
The final radome cover is positioned over the antenna module, sealing the nose section. The panels are secured.
Data synchronization complete. Flawless integration confirmed.